guys, my name is Teena and today I'm going to review the Kris Aquino Life Kit collaboration with Everbelena. I bought a few of her products. I don't think I got to buy all of her items, pero I think I got naman a lot of her products dun sa line niya. And I've been really wanting to try the new Everbelena products because the last time I bought an Everbelena item was like way back in college. So it's been a while and I'm pretty sure they have upgraded and parang renewed their formulations na. So I'm very curious to try it now, lalo na when I saw it was Kris Aquino. I love Kris Aquino. So sabi ko, okay fine, di ako binigyan ng pure kit, but it's okay. I will buy it because I'm just really curious. You know, if I see something and I really want it, I buy it. So I'm wearing it all right now, and if you want to see what I think about the Kris Life Kit, then please stay and watch the video. I already cleansed, toned, and moisturized my face. I also already put my primer on, you know, just to be fair, just to see how it really lasts with my normal routine. So, since I don't have a liquid foundation, I'm just going to apply my liquid foundation and my concealer, and I'll be right back. Okay, there you go. So, I only put like a medium coverage for my liquid foundation para makita natin kung talagang good yung coverage ni powder. So, I bought all three of their foundations because I honestly don't know my shade. They didn't have a tester at the SM store that I went to. So parang ako, hulaan ko na lang. Or do I just get all and then pabigay ko na lang yung iba? So I just got it anyways. And I also want to see the difference of the different colors. I should have opened all of this before I started filming. By the way, the price of the powder is only 295 pesos. It's super affordable. So we'll see if it's good quality or if it's just okay. I mean, it's Everbelena. To be honest, I'm not expecting great quality. I am quite familiar with the powders that they have because when I was in college, I used Everbelena a lot. So I know their stuff. Okay, so here we have Lasting, Lifetime, and Love Story. Since sa swatches nila, it shows that we have different colors. Pero let's open it up and see how different they actually are. First impression, ang ganda nung parang stamp. Sobrang slick nung stamp. As in, mukha siyang mahal, in fairness. Okay, so far I'm seeing a difference between the shades. Oh. Okay. Good news. The color in the pants are pretty much the same color as the one in the swatch. So that's always nice kasi makatotohanan siya. So let's see the colors. It feels very thick. It feels parang soft and not the normal parang chalky powdery of the local brands. So this is Lasting. I think this will be my highlight shade for sure. And then this is Lifetime. This is yellowy, so I like this. Para siyang, pag hinawakan ko siya, it almost kind of feels like MAC Studio Fix, so that's always good. Yung Love Story, parang medyo pinky. Para siyang pinky na yellowy na tan na ewan. Parang feeling ko siya NW. So these are the shades. Pretty much the first two shades are my highlighting color and then basically my all over powder, and then there's like a slight parang siyang almondy color. Ano siya tan pero warm. So yan na yun. Hindi siya pwede sa lahat ng mga darker skin tones, which is quite sad. But I think if you are really dark, you can use this on your under eye and it'll be fine. So yun lang. Sad lang kasi there's only 3 shades. But you know, life goes on. So before I crease even more, hi Kris, get it, Kris? I'm gonna use first Lifetime all over my face. Oh, it smells like baby powder, which is nice. I'm not seeing a very full coverage, to be honest. It's just parang medium lang siya, but it's working. As you can tell, I keep going back kasi since I'm not getting like the coverage that I'm used to, and I usually pack my powders on because I do sweat a lot, so I do want it to be packed. So you know one thing, hindi siya yung tipong like if you put a lot, kaya mo na siyang ikalat. It's kind of like a setting powder almost, I feel like. Hindi siya masyado like the heavy compact powder that I'm used to because I use the Makeup Forever a lot or MAC. But this works fine. If you are someone who does not want to like take it on, this is working great. So, medyo nawawala yung Kris ng very light, but also at the same time, it's still there. Wala lang, I just kind of wanted to say that. But then, hindi siya sobrang chalky, which is nice. If it's too chalky, mabilis mo maubos yung product. So, hindi siya ganun. Actually, okay to kapag kunwari gusto nyo mag-start mag-build ng kit nyo. I mean, I think the shade of the powders are okay. Okay, now I'm going to powder using lasting on the center of my eye. On the center of my face. So, I'm gonna try to use the sponge that it came with. And then I'm going to press it on. This is the way... Oh, okay. This is the way I powder my under eye. Kasi this is my sweating area. So, I really need to set that with the powder. When I sweat, it doesn't really move or crease. Yan. I like that there's a difference between the two shades. Kasi minsan wala. Nakaloka. Ito ba yung shade ni Kris? Ganito ba siya kaputi? And then the center of my nose. My forehead. And blend it all seamlessly. To be honest, I like it. So far, so good, Krissyyyy. And it looks very expensive. Not very expensive, but it doesn't look like it's only 300 pesos. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so the next item that we are going to review from Kris Aquino's collection is their eyebrows. So right now, I am blonde, as you can tell. So I only have 2 shades. I don't know if there's more. I have Happy Taupe and Beyond Brown. So one is like a taupe color and the other is a very warm brown.
Sorry, I sound weird because I'm still sick.
Okay, so this is called the brow liner and brow mascara, which is good. Lalo na if you have colored hair like I do, you would want your brows to follow the shade of your hair. So it's perfect now because I have dark brows right now. Teka lang, let's swatch first. Once again, it's the same as the color in the packaging. Also, the mascara is the same color. Now, let's see the taupe. What's this called again? Yun lang, walang name on the actual product. So, I mean, well, you can tell which one it is. But I just wanted to see, you know. Happy Taupe. So, is the taupe? Yeah, I would say it's pretty taupey. This is the shade that I'm gonna go for. Or, how about I use both? Okay, I'll use both. So, I'll zoom you in. Hello. For the inner half. So far, okay naman. So that is taupe on my brows. I'll use Beyond Brown on the outer tail. So we have a bit of ombre effect going on. There we go. You see this part is a bit lighter. And then this one is more dark. Yeah, so far, it's going well. Now, let's see how the brow mascara goes. I'll try to use the lighter one para medyo significant yung change, supposedly. Oh. Well, it's lightening it. Yeah. So that is it. That's my brows. So it worked pretty well. I mean, it's done and it's brown. It's not black anymore. As for the color goes, it works great. Pero let's see if it actually like holds my brows together. And to be honest, dahil makapal siya, like mataba yung kanyang ano ba tawag dito? Dahil mataba yung kanyang like the tip. Applicator tip, I don't know what you call it. You can't really do like hair strokes, so it's basically just shading. So I'll just do my other brows and let's move on to the next product. Okay, so I went ahead and did my contour, my eyes, and my lashes just because they don't have a contour product naman, so fill in the blank. So the next product that she has are her blushes. She have 3 shades as well. We have First Love, Lasting Love, and New Love. Medyo lakas ng hugot dito ni Kris dahil bakit lahat puro love life connected? Bakit gano'n? Oh, kasi she's love, love, love. Okay, I get it. Actually, kilala ko si Kris as like one of the blush queens, I think. I'm expecting her blushes to be pigmented, ha? Pag ito, pa-cute, hindi na ako maniniwala sa powers niya. But so far, so good. I like the brows. I like the powder. So we shall see dito sa blush na ito na ang hirap buksan. Oh, it's so small! What? This is the box, and this is the blush. I expected it to be like the same. Oh, anyways, whatever. It's so small! Kasha siya sa bibig ko, gano'n siya ka-small. I expect it to be bigger. Like, this is the box, and this is the blush. Parang 3/4 lang siya. Magkano lang ba to? The blushes were 195 pesos each. Pero cute packaging pa rin, kahit small. So once again, it's very similar to the color in the box. So that matters to me. So meron tayong tatlong shade. So we have New Love, First Love. I like this color. Lasting Love. First Love is for fair girls, I feel like. New Love is this one, the brightest color. It's very good for tan and darker girls. And then, Lasting Love, I think is for olive-toned women or kahit mapuputi. Actually, pag maputi ka, bagay naman sa'yo lahat. Pero at least may konting variations doon that can cater for different skin tones. So, I like that. So, what shall we try? Feeling ko, I want to try yung gitna. First Love. Tsaka feeling ko pag titignan mo to, parang di mo alam kung paano mo susuotin. So, let's use it. May konting kickback, as you can see. Pero, not too much. So, it's okay. Oh, okay. Nice. Ay, akala ko, I would have to keep adding for it to show. Since sobrang light lang niya sa swatch. But it works really nice. Nice. Di ko alam kung may amoy or not kasi may sipon ako. Ooh. Ang ganda ng kulay. Sobrang bet ko siya. Ang lakas maka-fresh lang. At dahil kay Kris Aquino ito, at na-addict ko sa kanya lately, puputokin ko pa ang blush ko. Ayan. Cutie. Same sila nung powder. Merong Kris din. These are also good. So, Kris, yeah. Last but not the least, of course, she has her lippies. So I bought quite a lot of her lipsticks because honestly, I just really want to review her items. I have 5 of the bullet lipsticks and I have 2 of the pencil lipsticks. I think I will swatch them na lang on my hand because my lips are really dry right now and I can't. But I will use one on my lips. I don't think kaya niya mag-swatch right now because I've been quite dehydrated the past week and a half, I think, or even more. So, feeling ko hindi kaya ni lips mag-swatch for now. Okay, I'll swatch it all muna before I pick which shade to use. I'll just open everything right back. So, unahin muna natin si Life and Love since there's only 2 of them. So, this is called a matic lipstick. Oh, wait! Huh? Liquid. No, liquid pala to. And then, ito yung matte, like, normal lipstick. Oh, it's a liquid. I see. Sorry. And then, this one is like the jumbo pencil. Parang siyang ganun. But it's retractable. So, we have... Hala, wala na namang shade. Ayun, we have Love. It's a nice parang cherry red. Honestly, Belena was one of the first who made like really nice matte lipsticks. So, I'm not surprised na maganda to. And then this one is Life, which is a shade that I would probably wear every single day. Typical everyday pink color, you know? So this is a nice holiday lipstick. And then we have the everyday lip color. Pretty. Okay, now moving on to the liquid lipsticks.
Guys, sorry talaga if I have a lisp. Sorry kung nabubulol ako. It's just that I have to wear, you know. And it's the first day, so medyo naninibago talaga ako.
Ooh! Packaging is super cute. It reminds me of another product though, but I forgot. But it reminds me of something else. Even this one is super cute. Hindi siya mukhang... I know all of these aren't that expensive. They're all probably under 350 lang. So packaging is super nice. It looks like hindi siya Belena, which is great. I mean, that's no shade to Belena, but you know how, you know, Belena is a local brand. And this doesn't look local, so it's nice. And then this one, except for the sticker makes it look cheap, but as for this front, it's very nice. Oh, let's see how much is in. Okay, nababalik siya kasi misa pag tinaas mo, hindi na nababalik. Oh, that's a lot for the price that it's given. Okay siya, in fairness. So this is called Love. So I think it's the same shade as Love na in the matte, but this is just in liquid form. And this one feels more like a velvet finish when I applied it. So let's see Life, because we have Life also in the liquid matte lipstick. Probably the same. It's a little bit lighter than the matte color, but I feel like when this sets, it's gonna be like this. So it's pretty much the same. Now we have Laugh. So medyo fumufu pink to. Yeah, very Kris talaga. Nung una, I just wanted to buy their bestsellers, but I don't know. The hoarder in me just wanted to buy the whole set because I'm not a part of their PR team. So I just wanted to buy everything. I'm supporting you, okay? Lucky. And last but not the least, we have Loyal. This must be my shade because I'm one loyal mother. Yeah, so this one is a bit mauvier and this one is a bit pinker naman. So it's almost the same. Okay lahat for all skin tones except this one. Because I feel like this would look too bright naman for a darker complexion. What color shall I use? Parang bet ko itry yung pink kasi yun ang pinaka least attractive for most Filipinas na bibilin. Parang feeling ko ito medyo tita shade siya. I'm leaning more onto the pink color para mabigyan natin ng justice kung totoong maganda siya or not. So this is Laugh. Oh, wow. It's very matte. Like, it's very opaque. Pag ginamit mo, hindi siya yung kailangan mo pa i-layer ng i-layer. OMG. Buti na lang blonde ako ngayon. Ito yung pigment na hindi mo kailangan pagpilitan. Ooh, so pretty! Pink kong pink. Oh my god. Pack. Boom. Carry boom. So this is my finished look using the products from Kris Life Kit. It's Kris Aquino's brand with Everbelena. So my final verdict is that I think it is actually worth the purchase. Honestly, you know, this is not a sponsored video, so I can pretty much say whatever I want. And I do have to say that it is a must try. If you are someone who's looking for a good quality but on the budget kind of makeup, then definitely try Kris Aquino's line because Everbelena is kind of good. Like, let's be honest, Everbelena is good. Lahat tayo nagdaan sa Everbelena. And then when they collab with Kris Aquino, they kind of it up, like the quality. So it's a much better version of the Everbelena that we all loved during our younger years. So I really like it. It's pigmented. It doesn't smell weird. It does the job. It's very opaque. The lipsticks are very good. The powder has a medium coverage. I think it's a good setter. It's a good, parang, if you just want to retouch. It's good for someone who is an everyday makeup type of girl, not a super placado type. But it still gives you a placado look if you actually want to, like I did. I packed it on. So it can still give you what you want. You just have to learn how to use it. So everything's pretty much easy to use. I didn't have to try so hard to make things work. It's something that you can gift to somebody, you know, pag gusto nyo magregalo pero medyo kulang kayo. Nagulat ako kasi actually, it's not expensive but it is also not super cheap na tipong mapapatanong ka kung anong laman yan, you know? Parang 295, 250, 300 pesos, I don't care. Like, it's a good price for a collaboration with like such a big celebrity. So I'm very impressed with Everbelena and how they made it work. Kasi if you ask me before, if you say, oh, this is only 295 and it's Everbelena, but it's with a celebrity, but I'd be like, oh really? Maybe they're not gonna be into the quality as much, but they actually are. And I watched the video of Kris with Riza, Kenny, and Say. Napanood ko on how she was very hands-on on what she wants and what she doesn't like about the product. So that's really nice. So nag-set na yung aking lipstick and it's super bright, can I just say. I don't know if it's just bright because I'm blonde right now or the actual shade is just really nice. I can imagine this on Kris Aquino. Wala lang, it's so nice. Anyways, so that is it. I don't think I have anything else to say. Ulit lang ako. If you want to see more products being reviewed on my channel, please comment down below what you think I should review next. Please like, comment, and subscribe and pass this on to people who you know would be interested in the Kris Life Kit collaboration with Everbelena. By the way, the Kikay of the day is right here. Congratulations, you are the Kikay of the day. If you want to be the next video shout out, just comment down below hashtag Kikay of the day and I'll pick you for the next video. And with all that said, I want you guys to never forget that you are beautiful and loved. Love, love, love. I'm corny. Anyways, bye. God bless. Mwah.